Wala mo, ano siya? Hindi na sa gila. May tumitas ka siya. Kasama sa theater niya.
Don't forget everyone, the tickets are now available for the concert tonight featuring Gino Padilla. Tickets are now on sale in front of the Mystery Creek Pavilion at the WFA booth. Bili na po kayo ng ticket, it's just in front of the Mystery Creek Pavilion. Tickets are now available. Malapit nang maubos. Beijing, Gina, Nurture Women's Team, can you please proceed to volleyball? To the volleyball courts of the Spante. Beijing, Gina, please proceed to volleyball. And ask for Alju.
Kilala mo yan, tita? Ay, kilala mo.
Gina, sa likod mo ko. Tumalikod ka. Tumalikod ka.
Yan yung tita Christy.
At the Mystery Creek Convention Center. Tickets are now available in front of Mystery Creek Pavilion. Tickets are selling fast. Mura lang po, $30 lang. Meron din tayong Pinoy Got Talent and the talent portion of the beauty contest.
Yes!
Okay. Para po sa inyong lahat ngayong hapon, I will invite Gino Padilla to invite you. Gino Padilla himself is here in the basketball courts. Allows him to invite everyone for tonight's concert. Gino, batiin mo ating mga kababayan.
Saan ba yun?
Ladies and gentlemen, Gino Padilla.
Hi, very good afternoon to all of you, to all our kababayans there. It's nice to be here in New Zealand. Gusto ko lang po kayong imbitahin. Mamayang 7 o'clock, we're gonna have a concert
Saan ba yun?
featuring Bachi, a star of Channel 7. Kasama niya si